Hello everyone, Simon here from my forexmagicwave.com, making this small video about Aussie dollar. Right now it's 8:49 p.m. I think 9:30. I believe 9 o'clock or 9:30. Let me just go back there and see. I think it's okay. 9:30 p.m. We have it's yellow news for Aussie dollar, but it's still something because there was nothing important earlier, right? Uh, so it might be, a catalyst that we're waiting for, and it might move a little bit, like the pairs, right? The Aussie pairs, like Euro-Aussie, Pound-Aussie, stuff like that. So let's see how the news comes out and what will happen. Currently, what I'm looking at is this, that I have Aussie index weekly chart. This is the channel here. And you see this here, from here to here, and then this retracement. And it is hitting at the channel TL, as well as it is exactly 38% if on a daily chart. You see this here. Let me pull the fib from here to here. Oops, right? You see that? Exactly 38%. And that is the characteristic of wave 4. And the style of this coming down here, like ABCA, then ABCB, and then C. Very clear ABC fashion, 38% channel hit. I'm expecting all the things are, pointing towards this trend, the possible strength coming in. This index probably going to go up. The Aussie dollar going to get strong. And Euro, Aussie, Pound, Aussie, Aussie dollar is on the right hand side, so they will be coming down. And Aussie yen, Aussie USD, they will go up because the USD is on the left hand side. That's the whole scenario. I'm also looking at the Euro Aussie. I'm trying to get in the Euro Aussie from another broker, another setup I have to monitor this. Now, earlier, so you can see this, I posted on the my website and Forex Factory and different, this was my entry here, and I closed just below 58.27. That was I wrote down that was the end of this, end of the road probably, and it so far it is, and it was, and then we made the turn and we came, and now this is right now currently I have a short setup on a 7-minute chart. This is short setup. Yellow is below the black and below the red, and this indicates all the way up. I had a reversal candle, but after that, no red candles so far. I'm waiting. On the other hand, I have a 20-minute setup, which is a long setup, just the opposite of 7. So what do? And here we are coming off the highs. So more chances are that we're probably going to go down, and we need Aussie strength for that. So let's see what kind of news we're going to get. If that happens, then this will work out, not this. We will just go below, continue going down like this one. We went through the wave, right, all the way down to this, and this probably going to go all the way down, then retrace later on, and then continue to the downside, and this will come here somewhere. 55.92 is way down here. If you look at this right there, so probably going to come down here, bounce, make a short setup, then come down again, and this will be here. Now this is small move here from top to right there is this whole move and creating a setup here, short setup. So that's how important it is between this and this 40-minute chart to 7-minute chart. This guides. This is the one that I had earlier from here. Just a reversal candle. It started to go up, and then I got in, and I had this 65 pip. See this? It went up, gave me a long setup here, and from here to here, gone with the wind. Maybe I'll have it here. I don't know. No, I don't have it here. But here, let me just quickly show it to you guys. Here, right? Simple as that. So it bounced from here, become bullish, retrace, shorts, long setup, and gone. And this line, white line, is 58.27. So just before that, I said, you know what? Don't be greedy and close it. And I was lucky that after that, you see that this is all the way down here, back where it started from, right there. This was my entry there. So anyway, so this is what's happening here, and this is what's happening. That's how I watch these charts, wait for the index. Now, I already showed you the index. Let me go back here. This is how it is. And this is the index 20-minute chart. Not only the Aussie index, you can see here, Aussie news is coming. That's why I showed it to you. But the 20-minute is this, right? So 20-minute index is just the opposite. It is right now bearish and making a bearish setup. I need this thing to go up. Aussie need to get strong for the EUR-AUD to go down. If this start dropping here after the news, if I get a reversal candle here and a couple of red candles, I know that whatever the news is seems like, but the reaction is bearish. And this thing is going to drop to these levels, lower levels here. Then Aussie will get weaker. And obviously, at that point, this setup will not work out, but the price will go up here and then continue to go to the upside. Maybe give me a long setup here, just like this one. You see this? The price goes up, give you the long setup, long. And then this is already long. So as soon as it starts to go up above this level, I can simply open the trade here. After I see a short red candle on here, right? So if this thing is going down, Aussie is going to get weaker. On the other hand, I'm also watching the Euro Index 20-minute chart, and this is how it is. The weekly chart is not telling much, but it's just, it could drop. If Aussie gets strong, this will drop. So this is how it is. And then the 40-minute chart is this. So it was a nice bullish setup here. It started to play out, but it got hung up here, right? And now a 20-minute chart is that we went up there, and then now it's coming down. So if Aussie gets strong, this start dropping here, I know that Euro is getting weaker, Aussie getting strong, and Euro-Aussie will go down. And at that point, I will see, this working out. I will see red candles here. You understand? So this is how I get most of my trades. You wait for the news. And on few other screens, few other computers I have, I'm also watching like Pound Aussie and other Aussie pairs, because the Aussie news is expected in maybe like 35 minutes now. So every time you have something, a news schedule, and this is how I get ready. And for example, let's say pound news coming, and all of a sudden pound start getting weaker, then except euro pound, all pound pair will be dropping at the same time. And if you're watching, you're going to get setups everywhere, or maybe at least 50% of the pairs. Let's say if you have 6 pairs, you're probably going to get beautiful setups in maybe 2 or 3, and you take them quickly one by one as they appear. I have even the alarm here. See this alarm here? It's Magic IB alarm with cross. So as soon as that happens, at the setup, the alarm start beeping. And when the alarm start beeping, I know that the setup is ready to take. So I'll take the setup, and then SL is always on a 25, this 20-minute chart. My SL is always 25 pip. And here on 7-minute chart is always 15 pip, because as soon as I have a red candle here, I'll open the trade and place the SL on top here, the high. Here, if I go long, I'll place the SL right there. If I'm not late, the SL is only 25 pip here. If I'm late a little bit, then that's a different story. Here, the same thing. 7-minute chart requires only. So what happens is that even sometimes, very rare, but sometimes if I'm wrong, I can easily cover that 25 or 15 pip. Most of the time, they're not like that. I mean, if I go long here, it will go up here somewhere, and I'll come and sit on a break even. And if it comes back and hit my SL, I lose nothing. Break even, right? So 90% of the SL hit are like that. Either break even or maybe 5 pip or 10 pip loss. That's it. But if it goes away from my entry positive, then you need to know that, you see, this pair has an average 97 pip daily range. That means that from the top to the bottom, every day it moves around 100 pip. Yesterday, when the market opened up, it moved 77 pip. Today, so far, open after the open, it moves 28 pip. And open is exactly the yesterday open. The day started somewhere here, right there. All right. So now here it went down and it went up. So this distance so far is 28 pip. If it starts dropping, then I need 100 pip below this. So 100 plus maybe 20. So I have a chance of traveling to the downside around 100 pip trade. So what I'll do is if I get an entry here somewhere, maybe 70, 80, 90 pip if I have something strong, like I said, 55.92, where we are now here right now is, let me, I had it and then I closed it. It's 50, well, 60, 57, 60, 100 pip is 56.60, right? Somewhere 56, 54 is a nice level to around 100 pip. So if it drops from here to here, that's 100 pip. So that would be my target for tonight if I get the entry here. If I get the entry here, I will calculate, and probably that would be 58.93 would be my target for 100 pip. Understand? So the daily range plays, a vital role in targeting. So always remember that, each pair has different daily range. Some of those pairs like USD yen nowadays have 50 pip range. Who wants to trade that? Right? So you want to trade a pair like has 100 pip, 150 pip, 200 pip daily range so that you can easily cash out 100, 150 pip or maybe, 70, 80, a decent amount of pippage. So this is how it is. I'm just watching this one. I, had this nice entry here for 65 pip yesterday. Last week I hardly traded, but this week I'm planning to trade more. Some medical problems in the family. My wife was in quarantine, so the last 2 weeks were slow to me. Had to run the whole house by myself. So, but now things getting better again, and hopefully this week I'll make some more videos and be more active on the Telegram and other places. So this is it for now. Just wanted to show you that this is how you prepare and be ready. Don't pull the trigger every now and then, just buy, sell, buy, sell. No, you have to have a plan, a system, and understanding the whole market, that how the market moves, when the market moves, and be ready on those times. Other than that, the market is going to be like stalled and ranging, and then if you try to trade that market, your SL will be hitting every 30 minutes. All right. So market is open, but you cannot trade the market 24 hours. Just like 24-hour stores, in the nighttime they're losing, but in the daytime they recover. So here you don't have to lose in the nighttime. In the slow time, just don't trade. That's it, simple. And then trade when the time is right, the volume is back, the volatility is there, and that happens when you have a catalyst, you have an outside force that moves the market, which is the news, fundies, right? So when the fundies are scheduled, they are always scheduled, ahead of time, the week before, right? We have the whole news. So now I know I just showed you the calendar, so you can see that calendar, the wish news is coming, and just be ready. I have several computers and several monitors, so I can monitor here the indexes on the other 7-minute charts, and here the 20-minute charts of index, and then 40-minute charts of index, all kind of things. So at the same time, I'm watching everything. I don't have to switch the screen. Like here, I just switching just to show you. I have two brokers open here on this computer, so I'm watching the indexes. What's happening here. See, this is a beautiful short setup right now. If that plays out, that means Oz is gonna get weaker. Then I would not go short. I will be looking for long entry, and just wait until that will happen definitely. If the Aussie index dropping, this will go up. And this is a long setup. Yes, yellow is above the black. This indicates all the way down. Coming up, I have a higher low, and all I need, and then reversal candle and a couple of blue candles are already there. But since the news is around the corner, I didn't open the trade. I will open a trade like this when the reversal candle is above the yellow. Right now, I had a reversal candle, but it is below the yellow, so it's kind of a little dangerous. And now you can see obviously because this creates a short setup on a 7-minute, right? So now it's like conflict between the 20 and the 7. Should I go long? Should I go short? You know, flip coin or something like that? No, I have to wait and see the confirmation after the news. Confirmation will come from the index, and then the second confirmation is that after the index moving, this will move in the opposite direction, and I'll catch the right one. If 20 long or 7 short, time will tell. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. If you like the video, like it, and so you can. I'm gonna be making more and more useful videos. So, and if you want to get the system, this Magic IB system, you can go on my website. Somewhere here, I should have the address. I don't know where it is. Well, myforexmagicwave.com. You all know that. So usually it's written on my charts, but I don't know. It's just appeared. Right here. All right. So myforexmagicwave.com, and then go there and then subscribe and start learning. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful